Top 1 transnational waterfall in Asia. Detian Waterfall is located in the upper reaches of the Detian River in Guangxi, China, about 50 meters away from the China-Vietnam border. The vast spring water coming from the north, falls down from the 50-meter-high cliff, hits the solid rock and splashes. Water mist hazes looking like onyx silk hanging in the sky from a distance, while close up like pearly and yacht sprinting. It's a colorful scene through the sun's reflection. The sound of the water oscillates the valley, which is rather majestic. Detian Waterfall, connected to the adjacent Vietnam Bangkok waterfalls, falls in 3 stages, with a maximum width of more than 200 meters, a depth of more than 60 meters, a drop of more than 70 meters, and an average annual flow rate of 50 cubic meters per second. It is Asia's first and the world's 4th largest transnational waterfalls.